Good morning children, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to see Unit 6 from 0 to infinity. It is a biography written by Srinivasa Ramanujan. First we'll look into the glossary part. The first one is absurd, which means stupid and unreasonable. Next one is infinity, unlimited space, time, amount, a number large beyond any limit. Third one is prodigy, a child who shows a great ability at a young age. Dingy, a dark and dirty place. Physiology, it is a branch of biology that deals with the normal functions of living organisms and their parts. Uncouth, behaving in an unpleasant way. Conjecture, an opinion or conclusion formed on the basis of incomplete information. Discrepancy, the meaning for that is an illogical or surprising lack of compatibility or similarity between two or more facts. Distinguish, used to describe a person respected and admired for excellence. Devouring, destructively consuming. Disembark, to leave a ship, aircraft, etc. after a journey. Agonizing, causing extreme physical or mental pain. So this is the meaning part section, children. So we'll enter into the lesson from 0 to infinity. It is a biography of Srinivasa Ramanujan. So you all know he is a great mathematician. Yes, Ramanujan is a great mathematician. So okay, we'll start the class. The arithmetic class was in progress. The teacher was solving questions on division. On the blackboard were drawn 3 bananas. So here a maths class was going on. Our teacher is started to take class. He has drawn 3 bananas. So he were asking a question. We have 3 bananas and we have 3 boys. Can you tell me how many each will get? Yes, so all the answers came as each will get one, right? So 3 bananas are there, 3 persons are there. So each will get 1 banana. So it will be divided equally, right? If there is 1000 bananas and if there is 1000 boys are there, and how it can be the same answer? Everyone will get 1, right? So now a small boy from the class is raising his hands and asking a question. If no banana is distributed among no one, will everyone still get 1 banana? So when he was asking the question, the whole class laughed at him. So the teacher said, quiet. Then he started answering. So there is nothing to laugh at it. So he just explained that. So we divide 1000 by 1000 to get 1. Also when he is asking is that if 0 banana is divided among 0, which will each one get 1? So the answer is no, right? So again everyone laughed at him. So it is an answer which were discussing for centuries ago. Okay, many were discussing these. Many mathematicians were searching answers for this. So finally we got answer. It was a great mathematician Bhaskara who proved that is infinity, which means it's limitless. When 0 is divided by 0, it's not 0 or 1, it is infinity. Okay, it is limitless. So this is what Ramanujan, when he was very young age, he has proved. He has said this. Okay, he has an advanced mind in mathematics. Okay, so we'll see about Ramanujan. He was a Tamilian. Okay, he was born in Erode in Tamil Nadu on December 22, 1887. His father was a clerk in a cloth shop, and when his early age, okay, he was a very active person. He was very interested in learning many new things. Okay, it is said that's a prodigy, which means he is showing great ability at his young age. So at the age of 13, he was lent a book on advanced trigonometry written by S.L. Loney. Not only did he master this rather difficult but uh, he began to do research on this. So the teachers were having some difficulties in mathematics, but he was very well versed in maths and all. Okay, so he secured first class in mathematics in the matriculation examination and also awarded Subramanian scholarship, but he failed twice in a final first year examination in college. Okay, because he was neglecting other subjects like history, English and physiology. He was very interested in maths alone. So this was greatly disappointed his father also. So again now he is looking for a job, because he was looking for a job to get money not only for his own things, okay, personal things, for food, shelter and clothing. Also he needs money to buy paper to do calculations. So to buy paper, right? So he need 2000 sheets of paper every month. We people are wasting many sheets, right? Scribbling something, writing something, drawing something, we'll be doing something, right? But this person, this Ramanujan, this boy, he needed 2000 sheets of paper every month to do calculations alone. Okay, so he started using even scrap papers, okay, to do calculations which were lying in the streets. Okay, sometimes he used to write in red pen over the blue ink, okay, because he couldn't get any paper. So he'll overwrite on the same paper itself. That much interested in the mathematics. Okay, so due to all this, luckily for him, he finally got a job. He was very much impressed. His work was impressed by his notebook, and a person, the director of Madras Pope Trust, Francis Spring. So he gave a clerical job. So the monthly salary for him is ₹25. So now he got a job, right? After a few months, he sent a letter to the great mathematician G.H. Hardy of Cambridge University, in which set out of 120 theorems and formulas. So after a few months later, he has sent a letter to the great mathematicians here called G.H. Hardy. He is in Cambridge University. He has sent 120 theorems and formulas. Okay, so he was working there also. He got a chance to work there with him, and he did lot of researches in mathematics. But finally, when he was continuing his research work, he was attacked by tuberculosis, yes, TB, an uncurable disease in those days. So slowly he started to fall in bed. Okay, so at the age of 33, he has passed away. Okay, so is very young age. He was born in the year 1887 and he has passed away in the year 1920. So besides being a mathematician, Ramanujan was a great astrologer and a great speaker also. Okay, so he used to give lectures on subjects like God, zero and infinity. So a very young man, very enthusiastic man who did many contributions to mathematics. Okay, so this is what this lesson says, children. I hope you would have understand this. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.